Make sure you prepare all needed tools before installing press fittings. ZX pipe press fittings are suitable for the refrigerants listed in the chart. Use of incompatible refrigerants may damage the system, resulting in serious personal injury or death. Do not braze or weld within the distances shown in the table. Illegal operation will cause the press fittings to fail. ZX pipe press fittings can only be installed using ZX pipe-approved pressing tools and jaws. Please refer to the chart for specific compatibility. Please read the instructions of the corresponding tool manufacturer in detail and operate after appropriate training. Do not operate in a pressurized system to avoid property damage and personal injury. When using the pressing tool to install ZX pipe fittings, safety glasses or helmet must be worn, and the operator must not stand in the direction of movement of the pressing pliers to avoid severe personal injury caused by the jaws breaking and rebounding. To ensure the safety and stability of the system, please strictly follow the steps below to install the pipeline correctly. Step 1. Cut the tube. According to the actual situation of the construction site, use a pipe cutter to cut the copper pipe vertically to the required length to ensure that the pipe connection can be accurately matched. Step 2. Chamfer. Use a deburr to chamfer the cut copper tube to ensure that there are no sharp corners and burrs on the cutting edge, and prevent the sharp edge of the copper tube from damaging the internal structure of the fitting, thereby ensuring the safety and stability of the connection. Step 3. Clean the tube end. Use a scouring pad with a mesh size of 320 or above to brush the ends of the copper tube to remove the oxide scale and slight scratches on the surface to ensure the sealing of the connection. Step 4. Check the tube. If there are scratches, oxide scales, or deformation on the surface of the copper tube, you must use a pipe cutter to cut off the damaged part, and then repeat steps 2, 3, and 4 to avoid leakage and other problems after the pipe connection is completed. Step 5. Mark insertion depth. Use the ZX pipe depth gauge to confirm whether the outer diameter of the copper tube meets the requirements. Then, put the clean tube into the depth gauge and observe through the depth gauge window. See whether the tube has been fully inserted. When the tube is confirmed to be in place, use a marker to mark the relevant position of the tube. This step is to ensure that it can be accurately inserted to the correct depth during the subsequent. Step 6. Insert and check depth. Insert the copper tube vertically into the fitting, paying attention to the position of the mark. If the mark is not flush with the edge of the fitting, it means that the insertion is not in place. You must continue to insert it until the mark is flush with the edge of the fitting. This step ensures that the copper tube is correctly inserted into the connector to ensure the stability and sealing. 7th step. Complete pressing. During pressing, operators should not stand in the direction of pressing tool movement to avoid jaws breaking and rebounding, causing injuries. Before using the hydraulic pressing tool, ensure that the jaws are vertically aligned with the pipe axis. Press the bottom of the jaws to open, and move the jaws groove close to the convex ring of the fitting until it is fully fitted, and then release. Slowly apply pressure until the tool automatically jumps to form a standard hexagonal indentation. Stop the power supply, open the jaws, remove it from the fitting, and repeat this process for the remaining joints.